Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. Like, really? Okay, get yourself together. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I also do surprise uploads. So subscribe, hit the bell, subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Okay? If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. You know, I really appreciate you. I am doing a show and tell. This is one of my first wigs that I ever got. And I got this from my beauty supply store. I actually have her in 2 colors. I'm going to keep her in this color, but I am going to get rid of the other one. And this is Beshe, which is also Motown Tress. Beshe. What's her name? Does she have a name? BIBI. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi-fi. I mean, bye-bye. Okay, it's bye-bye, I guess. And I have her in the color RT1B/2724, and it says Rainbow Tip. You can see that the base color on this is supposed to be 1B. I don't actually think it's that dark, to be honest with you. I'd say at the very least it's more of a 2, but it does have that sort of sombre situation happening. And then you can see this 27 is going to be these auburn pieces, and then the 24 for Beshe is going to be this blonde piece. So just a warmer version of a 613, and you can see how that is. It says she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And I also have her, I'm not sure which other one I have. It's in a dark color. Where would she be? I don't know where she is. It's in a dark color. I think it's like either, it's a 2 or a 4. It's a darker color. And the one that's shown is the F4/30. I scooped her up from the beauty supply store. I have no idea how much. I think definitely under $20, because at that time I wasn't, well, I still don't like to spend over $20 on a wig. Anywho, this wig is actually a full cap wig, and it does have a skin top part. There are no combs in this wig, but there is an adjustable strap, and I have it pretty tight. So I would say this is a medium to large wig cap. I usually wear this where this one side is tucked back. Sometimes I do a double side. Now that I'm more comfortable and know more about wigs, I would definitely do some leave out, but I don't know that I would actually take this piece out. Some of them, this is sort of bulky right here when it's a full cap wig, but this isn't bulky at all. I feel like that's really sitting right against my skin there. I absolutely love this wig, and I am not going to get rid of it. Let's look at her from the back. So yeah, I like the length of this, and that coloring is so nice. Let's look at the movement. Yeah, I've had this wig for like quite a while, like a year. I used to wear her a lot. She's definitely in my videos, and she's definitely on my Instagram. So I'm thinking, especially if you're newer to wigs, I think this could be a really good full cap wig, because I don't think that the skin top is bad at all on this. And if you do just a little bit of leave out or make some baby hairs, I think you would be all good. So that is my show and tell for Beshe's Bye-Bye. How do you think you pronounce it? B-I-B-I. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, you know, I appreciate you. Let me know if there is a particular wig that you want to see reviewed, and I'll do that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.